Hello, hello, hello. Just got done watching the movie Bodies, 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 a 2022 horror film that is 1 hour and 33 minutes long. Rated R. There is violence, bloody images, drug use, sexual references, language, all that stuff. When a group of rich 20-somethings plan a get-together at a remote family mansion, a fun party game descends into backstabbing and murder. So this actually I really enjoyed. It felt like it was a little slow starting, but once it got into it, it was actually interesting, and it had some interesting little unexpected moments.
Yeah, and I didn't call it.
Neither of us predicted what exactly happened with it, but yeah, it was a really good movie.
And a new take on like a horror killer movie.
There is some gore in it and violence and stuff like that, so if that's not your thing, then definitely I would say skip this one. If you've seen Bodies, 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 what did you think about it? I will see if I can find a link. If I can, I will put it below. But yeah, I would recommend it if you enjoy a good horror film. Because yeah, I thought this one was done better than some.
Yeah.
For sure. I would give this a 4 out of 5 stars.
Yeah, I was gonna say 4.
Yeah, I thought the acting was great, the casting was great, the story was very intriguing and kept me interested throughout. Even during the slow beginning, it still kept me interested. So yeah, if you haven't seen Bodies, 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 when was the last time you saw a horror film? Maybe it's been years, maybe months, maybe only a day or two. Let me know down below, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.